Hello everyone, this is our engineer Mr. Liu. Today, he will show all 100 watt LED floodlight. You can see it is SMD chips LED floodlight. We had adopted Philips LED chips. It is IP65 waterproof grade and 100 watt. It is very thin. You can see the back side. It's a good heat sink. It is all high quality but cheap price model, LED floodlight model. The basic can floating almost 360 degree floating. Now, Mr. Liu will show us light up the LED floodlight. 点亮。It is AC 85 to 265 watts. You can see it is very bright. If you want to buy a LED floodlight, you can visit www.ledvv.com. Thank you for the showing of Mr. Liu, and goodbye.